Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Workforce Tools app. We also reveal the important part of this app together with the strength and weakness to help you make an informed decision. Should we get started? Workforce is an app designed to help business manage employees' schedules, time tracking, payrolls in a streamlined manner. It also offers a variety of features including automated scheduling, time clock functionalities, labor cost tracking, and integration with payroll system. The app is primarily aimed at small to mid business size seeking an easy-to-use solution for workforce management. Its strengths include its user-friendly interface, robust scheduling tools, and a ability to integrate with payroll system, making it a great choice for businesses looking for a simplified employee management. It also helps reduce labor costs by optimizing shift planning and tracking hour accuracy. However, weaknesses include the limited customization option for certain features like advanced reporting. The app may not be ideal for businesses with complex payroll need or those requiring a deep data analytics. Additionally, the mobile interface can sometimes be less intuitive for managers trying to manage a large team. WorkTools is a best for a small mid business that need a straightforward solution for scheduling and time tracking. It's a solid option for those looking to simplify labor management but may not be advanced enough for larger organizations with more complex needs.